I definitely owe this to you. Okay, now let's get the party started. So, and you know what's so crazy? You know, a lot of people like to go for. And matter of fact, you could actually increase your risk on this a little bit. So instead of this is AutoCAD. This works on indices, everything. I proved that. So later I was 89% on this. So guess what? Instead of the 5 seconds, we could do it on 30 seconds. Gotcha. I told you 5 seconds on the phone, but I wanted okie dokie. But okay. All right. So I put it on 30 seconds. Right? Then usually I put it on between a M10 and an M13 on a setup. Whichever way, it doesn't matter. So now here as far as the moving averages. Okay. And I think I gave you the moving averages.
Yes.
It's symmetrical to the finger, 4 fingers. So here's the part that you know about the good sauce. This is the good one right here. It's down here, which I have the MACD and I have the skeletic oscillator. One of my guys, he was on it. I tested him out, and he was trying to get the sauce. Yeah, boy. And now here's the good part here. All right. So what you want to do is you want to look at the course, the 92%. OTCs. I like OTCs. Over the counter. So here's the rule. Here's the good part. These are rules you have to understand. I'm very detailed. If you follow these rules detailed, I'm very confident you should hit about 85% of your trades. I grew from $10 to $500, back to $10, $500, $200, $500, 5 times. It was a risk thing. I did it just to prove that it works. Okay. So now here's the thing. When you this we got to understand one thing about the MACD here, okay? Like let's just say you're doing a sale, okay? And when the green is pretty much the indicator for even to utilize the sale, okay? The green has to cross the red. It has to create a scissor, okay? You see this right here?
I'm watching
my mouse. That's the first rule, okay? Now the second rule is on the oscillator, okay? Like you notice the 8 when it's over the 80, when it's over the 80%, you understand that it's overbought, right? You got me?
Yeah, I'm watching.
And on the 20%, that means that it's oversold.
Okay. Yes.
So the rule of thumb is when this basically in order part of the execution of the trade, the MACD but MACD it has to cross the red. Then in a short period of time or shortly or before, a lot of times the oscillator, the blue has to cross the yellow. But at the same time, you want it to be in a position of crossing the 80%, so it can have some leverage of going down because it's oversold. You got me?
Yes, sir. I'm tracking.
But those two things has to happen. Okay? And thirdly, when you look at the candles, right? It has to be in a position to sell. It has to be a doji. It
A
has to be a
doji?
doji and at least two flats.
Okay. A doji,
Because
two flats.
and to the
If it's a
momentum of
sale,
two
doji and
flats.
two flats.
And two flats or three flats. That means that it got to be complete. And that third, at least the third flat, it had to initiate even a third flat. Okay,
Got you. Black
but at
tops
the
to
same
be.
time, that means that more than likely it's going to cross the white, which is the 50. Because when you use the rule of thumb, when it's aggressive go to 50, that means that it's going to sell.
Like it's doing right now.
Right, kind of what we're doing right now. So, so if those three occurs, then you execute a sale. But remember, you got 30 seconds. So in 30 seconds, this is one of the pinpoints. There's three aspects to it, but this is the first situation. When you do that, you're going to execute. So basically, 85% is going to sell because look at it. Look at the oscillator. It's very rare that it gets to in between the 80 and the 20 and it changes direction. You see?
It still ain't going above that 50 the whole time. All it did was sell.
Yeah.
And this is
Dude,
what
just keep
time
in
frame
mind.
again is this? This is what, 30?
I actually you between the M10 or the M13. It kind of don't matter. For
Yeah.
this is the structure. But in between that. And on the time frame, this is the far as a 30 minute. So let's just say you have $500, right? With the $500, like instead, usually I say $500, you trade with a point. I mean, trade with a $5, right? But with this here, you can actually go $10,
Oh,
but no more than $10 per execution.
don't be greedy.
Right, right, $10, and then, like I said, this right here, I was this right here, I was at 400 here. I grew to 400 to 1200. Yes. So those things has to occur. But but the thing is, you got to mentally control this. You gotta control your strategy. Don't let the market control you. It can get away from you.
Meaning?
So this is a strategy that it can you slowing it down for you. You don't have to go for 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds. No, you don't have to. Matter of fact, me is you know what they say. You know the one thing I learned from Toke is right. You don't do it. I mean, you know what I'm saying. It's not when you do it till you get it right. No, you do it until you don't get it wrong.
Mm.
85% of the people always in trading that would teach people say, "Hey, you're gonna miss some, you're gonna lose some." You can say, "No." At the end of the day, it's see the real nucleus of the thing is all about precision. If you understand precision, that means that you're mentally in control. Yeah, it's all about precision. Once you understand that, you will not you will be able to eliminate all the noise. Okay, let's put it in play here. Okay, let me show you the good part. So let's look at this.
You always
Okay.
looking for something that's above 92%, like 92% and better,
Now
right?
90%. Now some you might catch 80 something percent. It all depends.
On what?
But there are three approaches. These three sects of the strategy. What I showed you, that's one.
Okay.
There's two more. And one is how you capitalize on the 5 second. Oh, I got more in the bird. So and one on the 5 second. That's certain situations. Then you can execute on the 5 second. But
Run into the moon.
yeah. So now you look, see the moon, right? It's going up, right? But here's a part. People would have jumped real quick, right? But if you look here, it's already oversold.
Yes, it is.
It's already oversold. This would discipline comes in. But I you know what I'm saying, I will show you the strategy as far as like how to capitalize when it's on a aggressive run. But this right here is a way you'll definitely make meals off. Yes, I said it. That's how confident I have in this. Like I said, this be honest with you, it been about 8 months. I've been utilizing this same thing for 8 whole months.
Wow.
I told you, when I told you, dude, I've been in the lab. I really been in the lab. But like I said, the other part, I want to say, you focus on one straight at a time. But sometimes you gotta have patience. People say, "Oh yeah, I'm gonna jump on this," but it builds perfectly. Sometimes you don't let the volatility control you. Sometimes you slow it down for you. You don't have to do it because everybody else doing it. Like that's why I said that's why you gotta do what you gotta be true to yourself. So now, okay, right now it's overboard, it's overboard, it's overboard, it's overboard, it's overboard, it's overboard. But now, now what I'm doing is it's so overboard to a point. Okay, now spread it out here. Now, okay, see now it's crossing this. Okay, in position across in that. But that's the doji. Okay, that's two. That's kind of not strong enough for me. So you see, you would have got faked out right there. Even though it went like that, that's why I say you need to leave some solidity on it. That's why I say you got to be real precise. You see, you got faked out right here. See, I knew it was going to go back up. You see, and then you look at the MACD. You see right here, that tells you right here that it tells you that it was going to buy before it even presented itself. And yeah, if it had like some, you know, if it had some little oomph a little bit, then I said okay. And then like I said, boom, go up, hit hit that. But that's what I'm saying. Just boom, boom. There you go. That's where you get it quick because yeah, I knew it was gonna do that. So, but now don't get too caught up in the bias because it's position itself.
For
You see,
sale.
it's positioned for a sale. It did that. This we see. It's all about stumping you out. So now that's why I went down like this. But I knew it because it was because usually the doji is mean that a possible rate of change. You can have double wicks, but double wicks is not good enough because what it does, a reason for a doji in that position, it creates a supply of demand. It's not a coincidence. It's just what it is. So you're looking for precision. And sometimes people are like, oh, I gotta go, I gotta go, I gotta go, I gotta go. But just that sometimes you get a cake calm, let it present itself. Even though it look like okay, it's ready to go down, but
Mm.
because because this is not a doji,
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Mm-hmm.
not comfortable in it. It's not a solid doji, so I'm not messing with that right now. Like I said, if it does go, that's cool. But you rather do it until you get it right and not, you know what I'm saying? I mean, not do it until you don't get it wrong. You might miss some opportunities, but that's cool. That's nature. You're not gonna catch every single one. But even though this went down, even though this crossed, but the candles say, "Oh, wait a minute, I'm not sure," because no, it's all about creating a supply and demand that something it can resort back to. It's a cat mouse game. That's trader psychology.
I got a question.
Any question?
So
Talk
this
to me.
might be a little off, but with regard to
No, go ahead.
with regard to pocket options, you see that little measurer on the right that keeps turning green and it gets stronger in green, it gets stronger in red. What is that?
Right
To the
here.
right. To the right. You know
Oh,
that.
that's the volatility, the volatility meter.
So if it's more red, then strong relative strong sell.
When I read that means that yeah, the buyer is a seller control.
Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha.
Yeah, you see that?
I
You
seen
see?
that. I seen that on my pocket options, but I didn't. I wasn't too quite sure what exactly what it meant.
But yeah, even though this right
Look at
here,
that.
like
Look at that.
right now, okay, so right now you see now it's it's oversold right now. But you see, this still crosses, but because it's oversold now, you see that's why I say people would jump right here. That's why it say it has to match.
Doji in the flat.
The it got to be a dough. It got to be a solid doji, and it had to be two good flats,
Mm-hmm.
two flats of direction. But long as that's not there,
Mm-hmm.
you see, like I told you, I told you right now, you will be in position of being faked out. Sometimes you go to the next. Sometimes you go to the next one. You know, like right now, this is kind of not the liquidity is not low. So hey, you got so many options. Okay, now okay, there we go. This one got some volatility. You can go stocks, indices. It works for all. Dre, when I tell you, bro, this strategy is a freaking gold mine. I couldn't believe. I said, hold on. So now, okay, now just cross this. Okay, so about but now, but you see here like now with this is right here. This show you that the strength on the buy, but this needs to this need to create a scissor, the green to cut the scissor. So right now, it ain't doing much. So, like I said, sometimes instead of trying to catch every volatility and move and move and move and move, like I said, but sometimes it's the precision what's gonna get you far. I mean, like I said, Dr. Curry is a different joker. Me, I'm in my own lane of how to capitalize off this.
Good.
I know how to go his lane. So when you do it, like I've been, I should have told you sooner. I've been studying this for like I said, about 8 months.
Now you telling me?
Yeah, off and on, yeah. Because it
You
was just like, hey, like I said,
said you've been working on something.
I've been hitting the demo. I mean, at 8 months, but over I've been hitting the demo for almost a year.
Mm.
Demo is demo. Even though you see this going up, but this hit the scissor, but that's not a doji. So I'm not comfortable. I'm not confident in it. That means that it's a possibility, like it's a pullback. It could go, but this is as far as for the 30 minute. I mean 30 second. It could go, but It's not all about what you're gonna miss. It's all about sniping that right opportunity. Like you get 70%. Gosh,
Oh, look at that.
you see that's why I say you go up, but this right
Mhm.
here, whoop, everybody utilize that 30 second. That pullback right here would have got you. If it's oversold, very rare. But if I would have did some 5 seconds, but the volatility is not within my range. So instead of trying to hit everyone, just some, like you know what Dr. Chef say, PATIENC is all about patience. Patience.
P-A-P-I-E-S.
Yeah, yeah. Like as a matter of fact, shoot. Let me see. Let's go to commodities. Brent oil 88%. I can live with that. Oh yeah, I can see the setup right here. Oh yeah. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go 500. Okay. Now you see this oversold. You see now, boom. Now, but at the same time, but here it ain't. But the doji there ain't no nothing being created yet. So see, so that's why you don't go in. You see, boom, it didn't go. It takes experience of time. So now this right here can show a little different here. But it could. But just have a little patience. You can always slow it down for you. You don't have to go fast. But a lot of time, like I said in the morning, it was crazy. Like I said, like I said, that's why they say that the volatility. Sometimes the market be slow sometimes, but at
Mhm.
least on the execution trade, you can get a little aggressive. And the rule of thumb and have like a traded plan. Let's just say, hey, if you lose maybe like two to three in a row, then you just say, hey, you know what? Walk away from it. Maybe come back in the evening. Apparently, at least I haven't ran into that strategy yet, but it's going to be times. It will. Okay, now I did. So there's a doji here, but
Look at you.
yeah, you see,
Look at
even
you.
though, like I said, like it has to even up because now this right here is right now it's completely oversold. This right here save you a lot. It saves you a lot of money. You see? Now here we go. I'm just looking for the opportunity. Okay, so now this crosses. Okay, so now here almost time for the execution. Okay, and this crosses. I'm waiting for. Okay, I'm looking for the MACD, the cross. Nope, it didn't cross. See,
Mm-mm.
like I said, that would have saved you a lot. You know how much money we just saved
Oof.
by premature execution? Like I said, those three things have to occur in order to execute. But you see what I'm saying?
Oof.
I saved a lot of money. Like, dude, I have a peace of mind because I saved myself a lot of money. I would have been stumped out.
I'm tracking. I'm tracking.
Yeah, that's why I say, man,
Mm,
dude, this how I've been 11, 9. That's why I said the other one. That's why I would say I did was 11 for 13, and the other one
Look at that money.
that's that's how the other one I 11 for 13, and the other one I was 9 for 9. That looks
Money.
better than win, loss, win, loss. That'll mentally drive you crazy.
It does.
It's all about mental control. Like what I say, it sometimes don't look right. Hey, it's like regular trading. If you don't come right, I mean, hey, just don't go. Look, all this consolidation, It's too much going on.
Noise.
Yeah,
Too much noise.
too much noise. Yeah, yeah. Apple. See what Apple. Yo, man, like I'm not sure if it's a shutdown or something, but man, this is a this is definitely a slow up on the market. A lot. You go 75% indices, man, horrible percentage. Man, I've been like a Cardano. Cardano been taking care of me.
You talking about investing or trading it?
No. Just trading like Cardano. Man, I made some bread off Cardano. I don't know what it is with Cardano.
Maybe she speaks your language.
Yeah, like man, like okay, good. All right, I'm gonna okay. Ethereum, OTC, cool. So
Nope.
I think this one's starting to look good. Okay, Ethereum. Okay, there we go. I think I'm starting like the Ethereum. Ethereum, one of them. Okay. Sometimes in the market, sometimes if you don't like it, you don't like it.
Leave it alone.
Leave it alone. Like this right here, people say, "Oh, let's sell, let's sell." Look like you're ready to push. Nope, it got you. But like I said, when it hit that buy, I think it's definitely setting up for a buy. I'm gonna stick around Ethereum. It's definitely setting up for a buy. And then what makes so sense is when the four finger strategy at the same time, if it all it lines up and if it cross like let's just say cross the indicator here, a lot of times it really want to push itself very close to the 50 too. It's like a magnet. But like here, this crosses this cross this cross that. But guess what? This right here go against the rule. Because I mean, it don't got enough momentum. And like I said, then you look on the meter here, that does not even up. Yeah. So
I like it.
I
I
I,
like
I thought it was setting itself up.
I like this. Again, I'm looking for something like this because I'm struggling to go between futures, which is going to require me to get a prop firm. I like prop firms. Prop firms are cool, but prop firms can be costly after a while.
Right.
They can be costly. I'd rather be sitting up and playing demo and something like this, and what we already have going on. Then I have to pay for something to play with it just to find out. I mean, it may be profitable. It could be for me.
Yeah. But yeah, but like I said, hey, like I said, this right here was like I said, oh yeah, this is gonna be dope.
I'm happy. I'm happy because I want you to. I would like for you to,
Yeah, I could teach this thing. I could definitely teach it. I'm that confident mentally. I could teach it with a peace of mind.
all right.
So it's like therapy to me on this.
So what you can do, let me know.
Talk to me.
Let me know what day and
Okay.
time works for you. An hour time frame, or maybe 30 minutes to an hour time frame of you doing this.
Yes,
What,
I'll go talk to you about that.
what is that day that actually works for you, where you can be consistent with it? This way,
Yes.
I can put this
Yes.
out of our
Exactly.
schedule, and we can
So
we
this
can make
week,
a
this
routine out of
this week right here, this week is this is a trial week
it.
with
Right.
this.
Yeah, well, we're
Yes.
not gonna
We're gonna
roll it
try.
out immediately right now because we want to
But
give
yeah,
you
but that's part of the plan.
right.
But like I said, I'm to the point. Like, hey, you know what? Like, think about it. And then that's why I say, for real, if this right, even though you'll say forex, right?
Right
You
now,
say,
test. Right now, just want to keep testing it as far as um. Like, let's get
there we go.
let's get like
Yep.
let's get
Oh yeah, there we go. Execution. Bam. Yep.
see that doji.
Yep.
Excuse me. I see that doji flat
Yep.
flat, and there
Yep.
you
There
go.
you go. You follow the rule. Yep.
Yeah, this is gonna be dope.
Yep. Look, you
Let's-
see, give it a chance. It pulled back. Okay, cool. There we go. It's doing what? Come on.
Real
Okay,
talk,
cool.
real talk. I would like it to be like a morning type session, like something after like 10 or something like that.
Mm-hmm. But like I said, usually
Because we
that was
got a
a
lot of stuff.
test right
I mean,
here because I was looking for the see. I was seeing. I was that was a test. I wanted to see if I could do it prematurely on this, but I went against my own rule for real.
mm,
But this candle should have. I should have utilized this candle here, but that was a test. But yeah, but usually that third candle speaks a language.
actually,
So but like I said, far as to keep on testing and testing it, I honestly I already been
well,
through the
no,
testing.
not tested it, but I want an idea like something. I want to do something in the daytime. We got
Oh, and daytime. Okay, I got you.
our
Okay.
nighttime is flooded, and then we got people that live. We got some people that live on the West Coast that really love pocket options, bro.
Oh
Like
yeah,
like my man Lance that just joined. He got a community of people that they love binaries,
really?
like love it. And this would be great if we could find a time frame sometime in the late day where we could start having these. private, intimate sessions.
Yup,
Whatever.
see, there we go. That's now.
Look at
This is
that.
what
Look
my
at that.
rule here.
I see it. I
This
see
is
it.
my rule. Okay, this is my execution here.
Ooh.
See, that's my rule right here. See, bam, there you go. You heard that, right?
Oh God. Look at that. That was money right there.
See, that was
Oh,
money right there. See, that's why I said my rule when that third candle. I just proved that. Now, here's what it is. Now, here's a level right here, right? You look left. Also, you could actually do five. You could do actually 5, 10 seconds on this right here because there's. I'm gonna tell you why. Another trick. Because even though it's oversold, but it because you see the levels.
oh my goodness.
And now, yeah, it pumped itself up quick. So, yep, I could have capitalized off another one right there. I couldn't switch over good enough. There we go. There we go. Yeah, it would have hit that too. There you go. Cause like I said, cause the level cleared. Because when that cleared, it's like what can stop it? That's another sec of the strategy, but we'll get that on another day.
All right.
Like I said, it's therapy to me, man.
This is good. This is good right here. This is good right here. This is good right here. Listen. 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 We need something we can do in the daytime. Any matter of fact, anytime after 12. Why I say 12? Because that's good for West Coast time. The 3 hour difference.
I'm
Uh
gonna tell you something too.
talk
Around after 12, I mean, I can say like I know my schedule different each day, but we'll figure something out. We'll find a consistent time. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna make this work. But like I said, this right here after 12, guess what? This strategy works very well, and I'm gonna tell you why. After 12, because it's steady free flowing. Because now it ain't a lot. Manipulation
I
is
think
is
the
a little
market
bit
is settled.
less after 12.
The market settles down
It
after
settles
11,
down,
12 o'clock.
which this strategy is even very good. To be quite honest with you.
Yeah.
But like I said, bro, look, all I'm gonna say is, oh, we already got our diamond hands, bro.
Drop. It's hot. Look at that. Ooh. Come on, get it.
That's oh gosh, it was 5 seconds. Crap, we had 5 seconds, but at the same time, I still didn't follow my rule. Like I said, that's why I did that kind of a test too.
That's good.
But it might go. It still, I think. Guess what? It was gonna hit any damn way. But at the same time, if you have like this, if you have a double wick like that, you need two very strong flat tops. I mean, yeah, flat tops to even consider. Like this and two flats is equal. But if you get two of these, two dojis, if you get this two flats, it equals a doji and two flats and executing on a third. Yes.
All right.
So that yes, that's also part of a rule too. But your risk gonna have to be a little bit lower at the same time. See, that's why. Because even though you get like that, but because it the flats, that means that it's telling you it's gonna it's a pullback, it's gonna fake you out. Who? What? King did? Bad dog.
Oh boy, handle your biz.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, he all right, but yeah, but he knows better. I even took him out. Yeah, he got comfortable. But anyway, boy, we got old dogs. But yeah, but that's kind of like one sec of the strategy. But there's a B and there's a C to it also.
All right.
Different situations that you can execute on a five.
Well, just give me a little bit at a time right
Yeah. That's why I say,
now.
like, what thing is, this is very comprehensive. What it does is very elementary. It's like you follow those things. Right now, that still is. I still confident that that strategy is 80%.
All right. So when can we sit down again and go over some more of this stuff? No,
Uh, yeah, that was next thing. Hey, maybe later on today.
that'll work.
Maybe
That
later
makes,
on today. Like I said, that's why I gave you a ring the first dibs on this.
love it, love it. Me and Stream
That's why
definitely gonna sit down on this. Cause see,
remember I told you I tell you I've been on the lab. I remember I told you some months back, but now you can actually see it now.
hmm
Well, Dre,
Good
Merry
looking.
Christmas.
Oh, good looking. Good
Merry
looking, man. I'm
Christmas.
excited. I'm excited, man.
Yeah, but I was just showing you, just to show you, maybe you make sure you know you got no cataracts in your eye. I don't. You see what I see? You know, I'm just showing you, hey, bruh, it works.
Yo, speaking on that, last night, last night,
Hold on. Talk to me, Key. I'm about to get off right now. I got you, baby. Love you. Go ahead.
last night, you had the opportunity and privilege of being on an outstanding call last night. I saw you tapped in. That builder's call was life last night.
Yes, it was. I'm working on that right now. Yes.
I'm about to
Yes.
go. I'm
Yes, it
about to go.
was.
As a matter of fact, I recorded a pretty good segment of it before my phone had died. But yeah, I'm gonna drop some sauce later on today. So today I'm gonna focus on. I got a couple things I need to finish up in here. Get this laundry done, get ourselves caught up. But I'm going to. I'm gonna write out my list, and I'm gonna go back forward, go back through that information. But I believe Dr. China they're gonna have another one today. They may have another builders call today to recap. There was a lot of daggone things happening there, man. And
My wife don't realize what she got on her hand.
we gotta go. We got a
I
gold
told my wife,
mine.
be patient. Be patient. I'm on to something. Sometimes it takes a lot of behind work. Dude, it's right by the showing. It tell you that it's paying off. I've been getting up like 2, 3 in the morning sometimes. Test. I be right back in my space because I've been testing this strategy. I lost a lot of sleep studying. I mean, putting this together. Gary, we got $1 million sauce right here, bro.
Mm.
Yeah, we got $1 million sauce. Like I said, sometimes patience. It's all about patience. Like this right here, like let's just say as far as percentage of growing your accounts.